Are you looking for the perfect starter home? Well, your search might just be over. I'm Carly Howard with the Rafter H Realty Group. Welcome to 6505 Juliette Run in Arlington, Texas. Let's take a look inside. With 1770 square feet of open living space, you walk into a welcoming living area transitioning into a dining room and kitchen. Each room in this lovely home offers an oversized closet, and enjoy your backyard living space. This charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home offers comfort and convenience. Interested in a private tour? Give me a call. I'd love to show you your future home.